Revenge. It's a word I never thought I'd ever have to look at in myself. And here it is. In front of relatives, I've seen myself trying to speak good about him, trying to praise him. But whenever I see him, I feel I'm looking at a manipulative traitor whom I've hated so long, who is someone who has, never been happy with me, who has never trusted me. When I was 17, I made mistakes. I tried to find connection in wrong ways. I even tried to reach out to someone on Instagram because I felt this huge void inside me. I don't know if I'm blaming him for that or if I'm just looking for somewhere to put the ache. And mummy, she mocks me. You're so negative, you're so ungrateful, you're so dependent on him, you have no right to speak against him. Her words make me feel invisible. Sometimes I'm left wondering, was what happened even real? Or did I just imagine it? So when I saw him and mummy fighting, for one moment, I felt, hmm, this is how he should be answered. I know it's wrong. I know. I don't want to be someone like this. But maybe this is the unresolved emotion, the revenge. It's how I've been carrying it all along. I wanted to teach him something, show him his wrongs. But really, I'm in no position to do that. Not in age, not in relation, not in knowledge. Then why do I feel this way? Mummy's way of seeing him. I don't want that for myself. The way I see him now, I don't want that either. बैर होना किसी का किसी से भावना मन में बदले की होना. Let there be no enmity with anyone. Let no thought of revenge live in heart. These sudden floods of emotions, they have made me blame, judge, insult others. They have made me isolate myself, not because I want peace, but because I'm trying so hard to run away from my own thoughts. Sadhguru says that, everybody, they're doing what they know best. So let them be as they want to be. If the surroundings, it doesn't help you grow, then just step away from it. He also says that there is no my life or your life. Life is one and flowing through all of us and in everything. So, the universe doesn't want you to be miserable. The universe wants us to be playful, have a mind which is joyful, ever joyful, and a vibrant body, and a heart which is full of love. साईं इतना दीजिए जामे कुटुंब समाए, मैं भी भूखा ना रहूं, साधु न भूखा जाए. Oh Lord, please give me just enough that my family is cared for. So neither I go hungry, nor a saint leaves my home unfed. It's It's not about palaces or miracles. It's about balance, gratitude, enough. If I could choose one line to anchor my heart, it would be Mirabai's. मेरे तो गिरधर गोपाल दूसरो न कोई जाके सिर मोर मुकुट मेरो पति सोई. For me, only Girdhar Gopal. When the heart is anchored to him, joy flows naturally. So maybe the story of mine is not about him. It's about me and the walls I have been kept building inside me all along. And maybe the real work is not revenge. It's remembering again and again who I am when I'm not angry, who I am when I'm not hurt, who I am when I'm totally in love with the life.